What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get into 5 simple fashion tips that are going to make you stand out in a corporate environment. Okay guys, so the first tip I'm going to give you guys is to wear well-fitting clothes. Like I've mentioned in all my other videos, you need to find well-fitting clothes because even if you have a very expensive suit, a very expensive shirt, or pants for that matter, or shoes, if they don't fit right, then they're not going to look good on you. I would probably say that this is probably the most important tip out of all 5 of the tips because without fitting clothes, it can be hard for you to pull off a good look. So for example, you're going to want to go to a store or a website that offers a made-to-measure type of clothing. So basically, made-to-measure just means that you're giving the store your exact measurements on your body so they can make you some proper clothes to fit your body exactly right. So there's a variety of stores that offer it online as well as in person. I would just Google some stores around you in order to find some different ones that offer some made-to-measure clothes for you. So the next fashion tip I have for you guys is to basically have a good color scheme with each outfit. You basically want to know your color schemes in order to put together outfits very easily. So for example, if I was wearing blue, then you want to know what colors go with blue. So if I was going to wear a blue Oxford shirt, I would know that it goes with some gray pants and maybe some black shoes or something like that. But you need to know your color schemes. That's going to be an essential part to you picking out an outfit. So if you didn't know your color schemes, you might throw on like a neon sweater, and you obviously don't want to pair that with like orange pants. I mean, that would look ridiculous. There's just some colors that go together and some colors that do not. So for example, you might throw on a yellow sweater with an Oxford shirt, a white Oxford shirt, and then you might have black pants and then black shoes or maybe white shoes. And you're gonna start learning these different color schemes, and that's gonna really spice up your outfit. The third fashion tip I have for you guys is to basically have accessories. And accessories are gonna be very important to your outfit. Even though I'm not wearing any right now, they're gonna be very crucial to you standing out in a corporate environment. So what I did, I took out some accessories that I have in my closet and put them on the table right here. So the first pair of accessories that I would go with is a pair of sunglasses if you're outside. Maybe you're going on lunch break and you want to take out some sunglasses. You want to choose some pretty cool looking sunglasses. I have a variety of sunglasses and I decided just to bring out these because I didn't want to bring out all 5 of them. And they don't have to be super expensive, but these are the Gucci sunglasses, so I really enjoy these. So the next pair of glasses is just going to be a normal pair of clear glasses. I don't actually wear glasses, so these are just an accessory for me. And you don't want to wear these every single day because if you do, then people are going to start getting used to it, and you just want to wear these every once in a while so people give you the compliment. So these are pretty cool essential. These are from the Kingsman movie. If you guys watched that, you might have seen these in my other videos, but I really do enjoy these. I've gotten some compliments on these, and I would recommend that you pull out some glasses every once in a while. So overall, I would say a good clear pair of glasses is a good accessory for your wardrobe. Now, of course, we're going to have watches. Watches are very essential to your outfits. I don't really have any others other than these 2 watches, and this one's just Michael Kors. This one's from Target, so literally this is like 10 bucks. If you're going for a look, it doesn't really matter. The last accessory that's going to make you stand out in a corporate environment is going to be some ties, and I have 3 different ties here. So what you want to do with ties is you want to pay attention to the little details in the ties. So you'll notice the little colors in here are a little bit of, it looks like gold, light blue, and white. And also what you need to do is choose a shirt that goes along with the tie, because without that, don't wear the tie. Number 4 is gonna be to wear some interesting shoes into work. Now, even if people are not into shoes at your workplace, it doesn't matter, because if you have some really cool shoes that goes with an outfit well, then you're gonna get compliments on them. Shoes are gonna be an essential key to your outfit because they're gonna draw a lot of attention to them depending on what kind of shoes they are. Doesn't necessarily matter about the brand, but more about the look. So if you have more of a casual kind of work, you might go with something that has more broguing on it, which is the perforated holes into the shoe. It has more of a design element to it, so you could throw those in. I actually prefer wearing brogues to work because it's a little bit more casual. It looks a lot cooler, I think, than Oxford shoes, which is the more formal alternative to the brogues. So as we're going into summer and spring, I would recommend that you guys wear some Chelsea boots. Maybe you wear some Oxford shoes or some derbies, and maybe even throw in some boots if you can. You know, on the rainy days, maybe throw in some boots. I don't know if that's allowed at your work. My last fashion tip for you guys is to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I know that's cheesy and all, but the main thing is to educate yourself on what looks well together. And through this channel, I'm going to show you guys in the future, with future videos or my past videos, I want to be able to help you guys be able to stand out in a crowd and look different from everyone else, have your own style, and look good at the same time. So with that said, please subscribe, please like this video, and hit that notification button so you guys know when I post a video. I post a video every single Sunday at 2. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.